Ever wondered why cholesterol gets such a bad rap? It's a bit like the misunderstood anti-hero of the health world, often painted as the villain in our health narratives. But is it really the malevolent force it's often portrayed to be? Let's break it down, shall we? Cholesterol, in essence, is a waxy substance that's actually crucial to our health. You heard it right. Crucial. It plays a pivotal role in forming cell membranes, aiding in digestion and even synthesizing hormones. Yet it's usually associated with heart disease and stroke, causing many to fear it like the plague. The truth, my friends, is that cholesterol isn't inherently bad. It's only when it's out of balance, like a seesaw with one side heavily weighted, that problems can arise. It's a classic case of too much of a good thing turns bad. So if cholesterol isn't the enemy we think it is, what's its true role in our bodies? Stay tuned as we unravel the cholesterol conundrum. Cholesterol, the misunderstood molecule, plays a vital role in our bodies. Let's dive right in and unpack this enigmatic compound. Cholesterol, often painted as the bad guy in the story of our health, is actually a critical player in several essential bodily functions. It's like the unsung hero, quietly performing its duties while everyone else takes the credit. For starters, cholesterol is the building block of our cell membranes. It's the gatekeeper of our cells, controlling what comes in and what goes out. Without it, our cells would be as defenseless as a castle without its walls. Moving on, cholesterol is also the mastermind behind hormone production. It's the precursor for steroid hormones, including the ones that regulate our mood, metabolism, and inflammation. So, every time you feel a rush of adrenaline, thank cholesterol. Every time your body fights off an infection, thank cholesterol. It's like the backstage crew member who never gets the applause, but without whom the show can't go on. Additionally, cholesterol plays a pivotal role in the production of bile acids. These acids aid in digestion and absorption of dietary fats. Picture cholesterol as the efficient manager in a busy kitchen, ensuring that all the fats are properly broken down and absorbed. Now let's turn the spotlight to the brain, our command center. The brain contains a quarter of the body's cholesterol. Here, cholesterol is vital for the formation and function of synapses, the communication links between our neurons. Essentially, cholesterol is the unsung maestro orchestrating the symphony of our thoughts and actions. So, cholesterol isn't the villain, but an essential hero in our bodies. But then, why all the fuss? Like in any good story, there's a good guy, a bad guy, and a delicate balance. Now let's dive into the intricate tale of the two types of cholesterol. The first character in our story is high-density lipoprotein, or HDL, also known as the good cholesterol. Now, HDL is a bit like the superhero of our body. It gallantly sweeps through our bloodstream, picking up excess cholesterol and returning it to the liver, where it's broken down and removed from the body. Essentially, HDL is the tidy-upper of our system, clearing out unwanted cholesterol and reducing the risk of it building up in the arteries. On the other side of the spectrum, we've got low-density lipoprotein, or LDL, the bad cholesterol. LDL is a bit like a villain, depositing cholesterol onto the walls of our arteries, creating a substance known as plaque. Over time, this plaque can build up, narrowing the arteries and potentially leading to heart disease or stroke. It's a bit like a silent attacker, wreaking havoc without us even realizing it. So how does this delicate balance come into play? Well, our bodies need both types of cholesterol. However, problems arise when there is too much LDL or not enough HDL. When the scales are tipped in the wrong direction, the risk of developing heart disease increases. This balance is not just a matter of good versus bad. It's more complex than that. It's about maintaining a healthy ratio of these two characters in our body. The good news is, we're not just bystanders in this story. We can influence this precarious balance. We can eat healthily, exercise regularly, and avoid habits that tip the scales in favor of LDL. So while cholesterol might seem like a villain in our health story, it's not all doom and gloom. By understanding the roles of HDL and LDL, we can make choices that help maintain the right balance. Maintaining this delicate balance is key. And that, my friends, is where we have the power to step in. Now that we know the truth about cholesterol, how can we control it? Well, the answer lies in 3 simple yet powerful lifestyle changes: a balanced diet, regular exercise, and routine health checkups. Let's start with the diet. A balanced diet is not about severe restrictions, but about smart choices. It's about embracing foods that are high in fiber and low in saturated fats. Think fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins and heart-healthy fats. Next, let's move to exercise. Regular physical activity can help raise high-density lipoprotein, HDL, the good cholesterol, while reducing low-density lipoprotein, LDL, the bad cholesterol. It doesn't have to be a marathon, folks. Even a brisk walk or a quick swim can do wonders. Finally, routine health checkups are vital. They offer a clear picture of your cholesterol levels, helping you take timely and informed decisions. Remember, taking control of your cholesterol means taking control of your health. So why not start today? So, are you ready to take the reins on your cholesterol? Indeed, cholesterol is not the villain it's often painted to be. It's a vital aspect of your health, an essential player in the grand orchestra that is your body. But like any good orchestra, balance is key. Too much of one instrument and the harmony is lost. Too much cholesterol and your health may suffer. So, how about tuning your body's orchestra? It's time to take proactive steps towards managing your cholesterol. Let's not wait for a health scare to spur us into action. No, let's be the maestros of our own health, conducting our bodies to play the symphony of well-being. Remember, it's not about eliminating cholesterol, but orchestrating a balance. It's about taking control, not letting your health control you. So don't just be a spectator, be the conductor. The power to manage your cholesterol is in your hands. Start today for a healthier tomorrow.